All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are at the world famous St. Maarten MAHO Beach. Planes come and go here. Two ways you can kind of get in. We kind of came in off over the bridge there and came in behind the airport. So if you want to come in here, pretend you go in the airport, just follow behind the parking, and we're gonna go to the sandbar when I'm done videoing here. So it's cool. We've been there last time. Get validated, eat something. So it's kind of a cool area. I love St. Maarten. So planes take off and land here. You can tell right there, there's one right there. America just missed it. But they land and come and go. There's no ships, I think, before till the end of the month. So we got caught in the rain, as you saw in the last video. So it's a cool beach. It's small, but they have all these little stores here. Very cool. It was fun riding around, but some guy here just broke his leg a while ago because when it takes off, it can really throw you for a loop. So who knows, if you get a plane coming in, we'll see it happen. But I just saw one take off. So they have Sunset Beach here, and you get all kinds. $25 a carton. So right here at the airport, you see. Pretty cool when they come in. As long as you buy something, then they validate your free parking. So otherwise it's $5. So let's walk over here, shall we? So here's the local Jamboree and Hoodanny. Jack Daniels. We were down there in Nashville. But who knows, man, if something comes in, but it's just kind of a cool beach. Small. I know when we come here in 2026, Ted wants to come out here, so we'll come out here and hang out too as well. So we'll have the time of our lives. So, yeah. Oh, goodness. Good. It's cool. There's really no signs to it. I mean, you really don't know. They don't really give you a sign. It's anywhere. I've walked on here before. The rocks come up and sit up here. Last time we were here, hardly anybody was here. Here it comes. Here comes the plane. Here coming right now. Smaller one, but still coming in. Here it comes. When we get the real big ones comes in. They're pretty cool when they take off too as well. They give you a big run for your money. Water's wet and refreshing. Caribbean blue. I think one's getting ready to take off here pretty soon. Not very wet, but not very windy, but windy enough. But it's pretty cool when they come in. They take off and come both. I think they come in both ways. So on this one, so But anyways, it's a cool beach. This is just really nice. Small. A lot of people coming for cruises. It's the world famous MAHO Beach. I've been here before. It's a fun walk. Here comes one right now. Here he comes. Here he comes. How do you guys like that one, huh? Holy balls, the size of basketballs. Oh my God. You guys like that one? Right up over us. Nice. That was fun. Loud and in charge. Yes, sir. Whew. Cannot imagine working in the airport trying to deal with that crap. But major waves that come in here. Yeah, when the cruises aren't in here, then it's not so busy, so you can kind of enjoy the beach without a bunch of people. It's a very strong current. It will take you down. You gotta be careful. That was cool to see that one come in. And it's strong as hell. It will knock you down. Taking off right now. So, woo! We got one coming in right now. Maybe not. Oh yeah, he is coming in. Here he comes. Little pole jumper. Yeah. Yeah, getting caught in the rain, man. Kind of added to the whole excursion. So, we have another pole jumper coming in. One right after another. So you can tell it's a really strong current. You get taken off that rock. There's another pole jumper. Oh yeah. That was kind of fun. What the hell, right? But it's nice size, but this beach, but it's Beautiful. The color is unbelievable. Woo! Yeah. That's the MAHO. We got a plane. That was kind of cool. Came right up over us. Well, anyways. Crystal blue coming in. Nice. All right, guys.